weird angle, but we just got back from California. Happy New Year. Let's get into what I got for my Boxycharm by Ipsy and my Ipsy Glam bag. I arrived with this, so I just came back. We literally got in our car, seriously, at 12:01. So we were in California for a week. Okay, so it's like a velvety texture. Sid is kind of tacky. Sorry, I guess it's for like the new year, but my 5-year-old thought this was cool. So this is from Lucky Chick. By the way, I do spoilers on TikTok and on YouTube. I like the color, even the box color is cute. And then this palette is Daydreams. It reminds me of like ColourPop or Essence. It's cute, except for that pressed glitter, like, but it is pretty. Like I do like that this is like a cool tone. Yeah, cool. You can't really tell, but it is cool tones, and like this whole row is cool tones. And then, yeah, but that pressed glitter is, I'm not probably gonna be using that. So, but anyway, it's cute, especially like for like the glam bag. And then we have from YC Collection. I really like their eyeshadow primer. I actually just used it up. I feel like I've had, what was it? I'm tired of getting these eyeliners though, because they're usually not very good. But anyway, in general, this is the Island eyeliner, and it's a green one. We'll see if it actually lasts in the waterline. Doubt it. But anyway, it is in the shade. Does it have a shade? It just says Island eyeliner. La Perigray. No. Put it on the screen. Maybe. Lauren's Vanilla Almond Body Lotion with coconut oil and vitamin E. Oh, the eyeshadow palette has vitamin E, jojoba, seed oil, and shea butter. And then we have from First Aid Beauty, which we see a lot in Ipsy and Boxycharm, which I like their products. They're good. Deep cleanser with red clay helps remove excess oil and unclog pores. Good for sensitive skin. Good size. And then lastly, we have the, look out, I love this green, really pretty. Verifi 2020 Eye Cream. It is women in STEM, vegan, cruelty-free, and certified clean. So I felt like that's pretty decent actually. So maybe 2024, maybe we're gonna be good, maybe. Then for Boxycharm by Ipsy, we have, actually this is pretty decent too. Pretty decent. We have, I like the packaging. It's like all like cardboard recyclable. This is from Feel, like literally F-E-E-L. This is their squalane facial oil. Which I'm actually, vitamin C, brightens skin, reduces wrinkles, sugar-derived squalane, so that it's vegan. This bottle is made from glass. Please remove the label and recycle. Fragrance-free, very minimal ingredients, and the first ingredient is squalane. Okay, look at you go, Boxy. First full-size Girl Recipe product. I have talked about not getting a full size. Also like the packaging, it's mixed with recycled materials. This is broad spectrum SPF 50, Glow Recipe, Watermelon Glow, Niacinamide Sunscreen, glowing radiance and protection. Niacinamide, aloe, and hyaluronic acid. I'm so excited about this. Oh, it is zinc oxide based and homosalate, oxysalate, and octocrylene for sunscreen. And it says it is non-comedogenic, non-allergenic, or acnegenic, formulated without octinoxate and oxybenzone, blendable and lightweight, dermatologist tested, and safe for sensitive skin, ophthalmologist tested as well. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, like, there's like a chrominess to it. Like, it is pretty, okay? Like, I got the seal. Ooh, cute. Oh, I can't smell it yet, but I bet it smells like watermelon. I only have one like little sample size, so I'm like so excited. This is sunscreen you'll want to wear. Unfold to see our recipe for sustainability, and it has like the formula, and you can like open it up. That's so cool, so cool. Then this, I don't know if it's recycled or anything like that, but oh, it says please recycle me, so I don't know. But it's made in Taiwan, which you don't see that a lot. This is from Farah, which I feel like we've had an eyeliner and like maybe brushes. This is their Smooth Focus Face Primer. The packaging is kind of cute, but it's kind of plasticky feeling. So we'll see about that. I mean, whatever. And then this looks so cool. This palette, so this is the box, comes in. This is from Seraphine Botanicals. It's their Geranium and Glow Blush and a Highlight Palette. And it is PETA certified, cruelty-free, and vegan brand. The ingredients are actually pretty minimal. Talc-free, no parabens, no phthalates, and it's clean. Or is it clean? I think it is a clean brand, yeah. So there you go, pretty pretty. And then there's a highlighter, and then there's 2 matte blushes and a shimmer. It's really pretty, like really cute. I gotta touch it. There's the highlighter, so it's not gonna be like, and you know what? This would actually be a really good like eyeshadow palette if you want to. But let's try the blushes. They feel, oh, I love blushes like this. It's like a NARS Orgasm kind of shade. I have one of those. I have 2 actually, but one from Nomad that I love that's not sold anymore. My mother-in-law gave it to me. Oh, these are like satiny. Okay, my kind of shades. Okay. Yeah, we're good. And then lastly, we have from LYS this mascara, which I've heard like hits, like I haven't heard it's like, oh my God, fantastic, like someone's favorite. But they are a cruelty-free and vegan brand as well. And this is also mixed packaging, like recycled, which I love. And I really like the LYS matte bronzer I have and the LYS cream blush. Their lip oils too. I will say the tinted ones are really messy. Well, they're all messy, but like the tinted ones especially, like it's hard to get. So everything is like a square, everything is a triangle shape, which is cool. But they are kind of messy, like, so, but they are really good. They're actually hydrating. Because sometimes I feel like with lip products that say hydrating, they're not actually hydrating. It's like you're like having to like keep reapplying and reapplying and reapplying. So anyway, and then we got this little like booklet and stuff you can scan to see what you got and like more information. So you could have gotten the Anastasia concealer, but like with these boxes, we don't say our skin tones or like, you know, products we want. We don't choose this because this is PR. I am going to be getting I literally just checked my app, like the Ipsy app. My box is still being like customized, and then I will make my selections, but maybe I will get an ABH concealer. I don't know. I did do spoiler, but I do spoilers on my TikTok. I didn't do one for Boxy because my kid was a little on me when I was doing my Ipsy one, while I was doing my Ipsy one. So I wasn't able to do that, but I did do one for Ipsy. So, but I do them on my YouTube channel and my TikTok every single month. I was pretty good about it this year, actually. Well, I was pretty good about it last year. We're still getting used to doing. How am I gonna go to work? Okay, how am I gonna go to work tomorrow when I'm like, I don't know. We're going over to my mom's house later, but yeah, pretty good, I would say, for the first month. So Ipsy, Boxy, keep it up. Let's keep it going. Keep it on. So let me know what you guys got. Let me know what you guys are gonna choose. Are you guys still into Boxy and Ipsy? If not, would you like these products? Would you have not? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Happy New Year 2024.